Season 1 Episode 3. Tamir Brown's second clone's first day of school / grounded.
Tamir Brown's second clone. Today is your first day of school, and you're in 8th grade.
Oh man, school is boring.
The bus is going to be there soon.
I'm excited.
Rosie agrees.
Our first class is math. Okay class, today is the first day of school. Take out your math book. Tamir Brown's second clone, how dare you throw the math book at me? Sorry class. Oh. Tamir Brown's second clone, how dare you throw the book again? That's it, principal's office now.
Why are you here?
I throw book at Mr. Hernandez 2 times.
Oh. How dare you do that? You're suspended for 1 day. I will call chorus.
Tamir Brown's second clone got home.
Oh. How dare you throw books at Mr. Hernandez at the first day of school? That's it, you're grounded for 1 day. Go to your room now.
Wah!
Thanks for watching.